County in northeastern Illinois until 4 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 7 miles
Northwestern County in northeastern Illinois until 4:15
Oh, for northwestern Will, the only county affected.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Romeoville.
Just the only county affected at this time.
Right now.
Hazard 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Yeah, just the Will County is the only county affected. But maybe extended it to Cook County soon. Joliet is the intended target. And Joliet is an intended target for this storm.
Around 3:35 p.m. Bengal spark around 3:40 p.m. Elwood around 3:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Fairmont, Preston Heights, Crystal Lawn, and Rockdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Palmer Glen, Shorewood, and Crest Hill around 3:35 p.m. Bengal Park around 3:40
The severe
p.m.
thunderstorm warning for East Central Kendall and northwestern Will counties will expire at 3:30 p.m. This warning will be allowed to expire. However, gusty winds and heavy rain are still possible with these thunderstorms prompting a new severe thunderstorm working at 50 proportions of Will County. Remember, a severe thunderstorm warning still remains in effect for southern Kendall County until 4 p.m. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois.